welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of Palak chicken. Palak means spinach. Spinach is a superfood. It's loaded with tons of nutrients in a low-calorie packet. Spinach are important for skin, hair, and healthy bones. They also provide protein, iron, vitamins, and minerals. And over here I'm taking 2 bunch of spinach, around 1 kilo chicken, and 3 big tomato roughly chopped, and green chilies, 1 full spoon of ginger garlic paste. I have the frozen ginger garlic, you can use the fresh one, and basic spices. Take 1 pan, add oil, and when oil heat up, add onions, and when onion turns golden brown, then add ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Now add chicken and cook the chicken until the chicken changes color. Now add spices, which are salt, 1 spoon of salt or salt per taste, 1 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of turmeric, and 1 full spoon of dhania powder, which is coriander powder, and stir well with the spices. Now add tomatoes and Thai chilies and cook tomato until it dissolved. Now as you see, the tomatoes are cooked well and oil is separated and spices are cooked well too. This is the time you can taste if you want to add a spice like salt or pepper, and then add spinach into it and mix it well and let it cook until it releases all the water and it dries up. Spinach is almost done. It's released all the water, it dries up, the oil is separated. Now I'll keep it for like 5 minutes on medium flame, and then it's ready to serve. If you all like this recipe, and if you have any questions, do let me know by comments below, and thank you so much for watching.